Yeah, there are some cat breeds, like sphinxes.
You don't want those.
There's a new one. They're called werewolf kitties.
No, one of those. That's you.
They have Persians. There's like some kind of like blue British one. Hey, where'd the bird go?
In the chair, right there.
Yeah.
See it?
Just a bird doing
See the
bird
chair?
things. Whee!
It's over there. We're gonna take off over there. Let's go into the door.
It wants to go out so bad.
Is it on that picture?
Yeah, I could. No, it's at the other window. Poor bird. He's trying to find all the exits.
Where's the guy who did the kitchen door?
Huh?
Where's the guy who did the kitchen
Oh
door?
yeah, yeah. I agree. All right, well, hey.
You go, Jeff. Here's the chicken. Here you go. Oh, they're trying to get out. Look at the bird. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Trying to get out the window. It's trapped.
Oh man, it's just it looks silly at this point.
Well, if we leave it like a trail of drums to where they watch it in the scullery, and keep eating. Yeah.
That would be a good idea. Maybe it likes popcorn. Every time it gets out, it'll be back. Comes over here and throws his popcorn. Where's it at?
It's somewhere.